He can hold everything. He can hold everything well. So you have asked for wisdom. Even this you can manage. Or even adding him while he has got us for. Because just for wisdom. So there's something maybe I have not considered. I need a big house. I need a big job. I need a wonderful career. So after gratitude, you have no wisdom to manage it. So if you ask wisdom, you say yes, the job will come. Promotion will automatically come. Because you can manage it. Because you have wisdom. Hallelujah. We need wisdom. Look for Proverbs chapter 11. From chapter verse 30. Someone has wisdom. He wins souls. If you have wisdom, you can overcome souls. If you have wisdom, you can overcome that job. You can overcome something that is here. What has that a wise person wins the souls.
Nawe alina Amagezi afuna emmeeme z'abantu.
He wins the soul. It says we are required of having wisdom for us to have other friends, for us to get new customers. You started a business, customer left because you have no wisdom to sustain those customers. You have a job, but you have no people to work. Why? You have no wisdom. You have no work, but you cannot progress in it. Why? You have no wisdom to work. You have a job. It went from lack wisdom. So ask God to give you wisdom. If He gives you wisdom, even what you don't think you shall give. Why? Bible says who has wins the soul. You are there. You are casting out. You are born again, but again because they bypass and by something, they began to cast them. You look at them. You see them. They don't love me. That one doesn't like me. She's jealous of me. There's no wisdom. Tell your neighbor. There might be no wisdom, but there's just lack of wisdom. You got this job, they chase. With another job, they chase you up. Why? Because there's no to stand with his boss not there. Every time he's just wasting it. He has never got to look after wisdom, to understand. So you need that place where God has placed, that responsibility has given you. You need to look for wisdom. If it's for your wisdom, God will grant it to you, that you may become of Him, and you may rule of things. Tell your neighbor, we need wisdom of God. Proverbs chapter 13 verse 20. You increase in wisdom. It might be that thing that brings sufficient wisdom. The group you have, that you then you need to look for the right company that can add value to a certain cause. That company that has wisdom, that you may become. They are just idle. They have no job. Their work is to grab to also become. What could people have wisdom? You shall increase in wisdom. Proverbs 13 verse 20.
Tambulanga n'abantu ab'amagezi. Naawe oliba n'amagezi.
You shall have wisdom too.
Many
times, why do you hear some the group sit and talk? There's nothing it can add on you. There's nothing that it can add on your life. If it's foolish, it will be called foolish. Hallelujah. Look so up with those who cook take my journey, they end up taking my journey. If you're married and walk with a single woman, one time you will become a sinner again. Because of that device, and for now I'm not here. You think I'm lacking anything? I don't, you know, I can't go. I have nothing. Why? Then it's because she left. Hallelujah. How the level looking after. I shall add something on you. That he has a wisdom. It could be in the works. It could be for the intellectuals. By working with intellectuals, there's something they are doing that can. You also need to boost. You say someone. Look for knowledge. This degree shall